All right, day 3 of Moab. We are heading out to Fins and Things and Hell's Revenge. It is a little windy outside, so that's why I'm filming inside of the vehicle. Chad is currently airing us down, and then we'll get going.
Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I just wanna spend every day with you, happy with the little things we do. Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
We have some noisy breaks. Ooh, that's steep. It's time for an upgrade to our brakes.
Power stop.
Good investment. Cheap investment.
Light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. 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 Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
Yep. Stay there, keep coming. Straighten out. Straight up. Yep. Okay, yep, now go drive her a little bit. There you go. Alright guys, so we're all done with the south loop of Fins and Things, and we're headed to Hell's Revenge.
So we are at the trailhead to Hell's Revenge. Check out what we serve.
I've been running
trusted, but I don't wanna be defined by them no more. All I get is this one little life you see. What I want is the freedom to just be me. There's no place in this world I would rather be than here in your arms. All of my good friends, let's get together. I still believe it, we're chasing forever. This is the season, I need you around. Nobody's leaving till the sun's coming out. Growing up comes quickly. If you blink your eyes, you'll miss the beauty of the whole world. Don't forget to move your hips. You make your plans, but baby, I hope you will not forget the greatest things don't come without the risk. All I get is this one little life you see. What I want is the freedom to just be me. There's no place in this world I would rather be
Alright guys, so we just finished airing up after day 3. Hell's Revenge and Fins and Things. Successful day. It was actually a lot more technical than I thought it would be. The whole week actually was a lot more technical than I thought it would be. So,
You know, we couldn't pass up doing Hell's Gate.
yeah, probably the one obstacle I wanted to hit the most being in Moab and doing the trails that we did. It was actually super easy, as you probably saw in the footage earlier. This will be wrapping up our series of Moab videos. We will be heading back to Gilbert, Arizona tomorrow. We have an 8-hour drive, so we'll be heading back, getting some tacos, getting a night's sleep at the hotel, loading the Jeep up, and heading back home. Make sure you guys, if you're not already, hit that subscribe button if you want to support us, like this video, and stay tuned for the next adventure. Later, guys.